Here's a new video about the ARDrone.net control. I'm gonna show you some features today that me, Steve and Julian created. First of all, here's the input settings. Here you can select the device. I've got a joystick right here. When I click the takeoff dialog, you can select a button. If I click it on the joystick, it's assigned. So if I click submit, this is done. In this dialog you'll see some flight controls, you'll see me in the video, and now we're gonna take off. So I press the takeoff button I assigned a second ago, and the drone starts. Now I can control the drone and I can land it again.